Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to draw hexagon. To draw hexagons, you can type Polygon, press enter, and set number of sides into 6. Enter again. Okay, for center point, click at this point on drawing area and use inscribed in circle. After it, you can set for the radius. I will set to 100 and press enter to apply. So we create this hexagon. Okay, you can type Polygon, press enter, and set number of side into 6. Enter again. Choose the center point and use circumscribe about circle. Okay, I will set for the radius into 100 and press again enter to apply. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to draw hexagon.